That's 15 quarters. Come on. We got it at 25 cents, ladies and gentlemen. See?
Yes,
You haven't called me the what in a long time.
the slot genius.
The slot genius. Come on. Look at that minor for 300, that mini, $125. So let's get that major for 1,126. Let's get it right here. We got it. Let's go. Let's get it.
Come on.
All right, we saved it and we unlocked that other row. Come on, let's get some words. Come on.
Drop down that major.